You know, when I was a kid, we didn't have toboggans and sleds. We found whatever we could. The last time, I think, I put cardboard in a big Glad garbage bag and went down. But look, the fortune of a garbage can lid as a slide. And let's see how it works. It's not working.
Empújala.
Okay, it doesn't work. So, it doesn't work, which is probably why somebody left it on the top of the snow. Duh. But I think I can play frisbee. Let's see. Okay, it's not a frisbee either. At least you guys know for the future snowstorm, if you want things to play with, a garbage can lid is not going to work for you as a frisbee or as a sled.